How do you determine the intrinsic value of a stock? We've been talking about intrinsic value all morning. So there are a couple of ways to go at it. So one, estimate a company's future cash flow, discounted by the compound inflation, and then divided by the interest rate. So when we're talking about an intrinsic value of a stock, we're talking about what it actually is worth. Somebody throw a company out to me. Any company, it doesn't matter. Throw a company out.
Texas Instruments.
Okay, TI. So we know TI is in the IT space. We know that they're also going to be a player in the chip market, which is continuing to grow leaps and bounds with AI. So if I'm looking at the intrinsic value of a stock, I'm not necessarily looking at everything that is happening to that stock right now, because most of us, unless we're heavy investors, we probably never even heard of TI. So we might be like, I don't even know that company, right? But this gives you an opportunity to go in and actually do to figure out how to estimate their future cash flow. Two, I also like to take the total business value and I'll divide that by the number of outstanding shares. This can let me know if the company is overvalued or undervalued, or if it's priced correctly at the current time, right? There's also a ton of trading view indicators that'll allow you to kind of look at this as well, because I always want to buy a stock at a discount if I can. Now, if you get a company like Berkshire Hathaway, but when you look at a company like that, you want to make sure that you buy it at a discount, not when it's overvalued. Berkshire Hathaway trades at $654,000 a share. So I don't want to buy it when it's at its high. I want to do my research on it. I want to make sure I understand the intrinsic value of it so that I can buy it at a discount.